Hi lovely kids, welcome back to Yummy Toddler. Today we are going to read Peppa Pig book named Peppa and Family. Before we start, please subscribe my channel and press the start button below. And if you enjoy, like this video. So let's get started. Peppa and Family. Peppa loves her family. Sometimes they all meet up for a picnic. Mommy and Daddy Pig bring the sandwiches. Granny and Grandpa Pig bring the cakes. Uncle and Auntie Pig bring the fruits. Peppa calls Cousin Chloe. Sit next to me. Peppa skips across the grass. Yay! Munch, yum, snort. George is Peppa's little brother. He likes dinosaurs, puddles, and tickles. On wet days, Peppa and George put on their boots and go outside. There is a puddle, says Peppa. Let's jump in it. George giggles. Hee hee. George loves splashing in puddles with his big sister Peppa. Mommy Pig is a clever, busy mummy. Sometimes she works quietly on her computer. Sometimes she enjoys going to noisy birthday parties with Peppa and George. Whee! Shouts Mommy Pig. This is fun. Good bouncing, Mummy, says Peppa. Daddy Pig is a cheerful, kind daddy. He likes watching racing cars on TV. On Father's Day, Peppa and George make a special card for Daddy Pig. Oh, he gasped. What a lot of glitter! The card has made Daddy Pig go all sparkly. It says that you are the bestest daddy in the whole world. Cheers, Peppa. Hooray! Granny Pig enjoys cooking and baking. She loves making tasty things for Peppa and George to eat. Let's pick some strawberries, says Granny Pig. We can put them in the cake. Can we help you make it? asks Peppa. Granny Pig laughs. Of course. Peppa fills up the basket. She loves visiting the strawberry farm with Granny Pig. Yum! Grandpa Pig has lots of hobbies. He likes gardening, boating, and bird watching. Every time we see a bird, I put a tick in my book, says Grandpa Pig. Bird, cries George. Well done, George, says Peppa. That's a pigeon. Grandpa Pig fills his book with ticks. George has spotted lots of pigeons. Uncle and Auntie Pig live far away. Peppa likes to visit for sleepovers. Hello, Peppa, says Auntie Pig. Hello, George. Come in, says Uncle Pig. You must be tired after a long journey. We are, replies Mommy Pig. I am not tired at all, says Peppa, running inside to see his cousin. Cousin Chloe and baby Alexander are Peppa's favorite cousins. Cousin Chloe is big and grown up, but baby Alexander is still very small. It is baby Alexander's bath time, says Cousin Chloe. Do you want to help Peppa? Yes, please, says Peppa. Baby Alexander laughs. He likes splashing about in the water. Peppa loves her family. Everyone loves Peppa. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. And if you want to see more Peppa Pig stories, please go and check my Peppa Pig collection. See you soon with the next story. Bye-bye.